Start your journey into wealth creation and online growth. In today's fast-paced digital world, achieving online success can feel like chasing a moving target. With countless strategies, tools, and courses promising quick wins, it's easy to get lost in the noise. But I discovered a game changer, Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. This comprehensive system transformed my approach to building a sustainable online business, and I'm excited to share how it unlocked the secret to my online success. If you're looking to boost your digital presence, drive organic traffic, and create lasting wealth, this SEO-optimized guide will show you how Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 can be your roadmap. Building a content strategy that converts content is king, but only when it's strategic. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 showed me how to create a content plan that engages and converts. The program advocates for a mix of formats, blog posts, videos, and infographics to cater to different audience preferences. Why Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 works. What sets Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 apart is its practical, no-fluff approach. Unlike vague promises of get-rich-quick schemes, it offers a proven framework backed by real-world results. The program's templates, such as content planning worksheets, saved me hours, while its community provided insights from successful entrepreneurs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, the Blueprint's adaptability makes it a must-have tool for online success. Start your journey today. Offer AI-powered freelance services. AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney are revolutionizing freelancing. Offer services like AI-generated blog posts, social media captions, or logo designs on Fiverr. Charge $50 per gig, land 60 clients a month, and you're at $3,000. The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 includes tutorials on using AI to deliver high-quality work in half the time, plus strategies to stand out in crowded marketplaces. A freelancer I mentored went from $0 to $2,800 monthly in 2 months by offering AI-enhanced copywriting. Why these methods work. These hustles aren't just fun, they're scalable and low risk. Affiliate marketing and digital products require no upfront costs, while courses and freelancing leverage skills you already have. Social media monetization thrives on authenticity, and the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 amplifies your success with proven tactics, trending topics, emotional hooks, and clear calls to action, CTAs. Data backs this up. Posts with strong CTAs get 80% more shares, and long-form content, like this article, drives 9,000 plus shares on average. The Blueprint's templates and AI tools make execution effortless. The catch? You need a plan. Without a strategy, these ideas are just dreams. The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is your cheat code, a comprehensive system with video tutorials, niche finders, and viral content formulas. It's helped 5,000 plus people generate $1,000, $10,000 monthly by turning hobbies into income streams. Unlike generic courses, it's up. Don't let another day pass watching others cash in. This hack is your ticket to financial freedom. Watch my next video for advanced funnel tips and grab the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide to get the full strategy. Link in the description, click it, order it, and let's make millions together. Ready to unlock your own success? Start with Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and watch your digital empire grow. Don't let another day pass watching others cash in. This hack is your ticket to financial freedom. Watch my next video for advanced funnel tips and grab the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide to get the full strategy. Link in the description. Click it, order it, and let's make millions together.